Yeah, no. They animatronics. No.
She's so fun. Thank you so much. And I feel like she'll be even more fun now that she doesn't have to like,
Yeah, I want to chaperone. That's why. Like, yeah.
Oh, okay.
We don't know. And it's still really not. I haven't got the ticket.
Well, I don't know my schedule right now. Just ready to call out. Vegas? Yeah. Let me see my, I'll figure my schedule out. I guess not.
Hello, Debbie. You can pick up the
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First-Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Pearl Damon and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Alright, all recruits to transport. No need for safety clearance. Let me smooth ride. Ground crews, the deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
I see my time. I started 5 minutes
Green
after.
light sequence on deck 3 for Pucara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. Power bound personnel, this is your final call. I just wanted to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Hyperdrive systems normal. Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, First Order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Round 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Now the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
The authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They're on the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Passengers aboard TR-141. You've all been identified as enemies of the First Order. Everyone off and prepare for interrogation.
Stay together, proceed to the right. There will be two sides of the hallway. Do not get separated. Use your group. We'll interrogate you on your own. Stay together, proceed to the right.
And this takes it like literally almost a 4. Yeah, it's massive. This room takes up 4 inches. Yeah.
You'll be assigned red. How many? You'll be assigned the color blue. Also instruct you to stay on this. That's a personality.
Okay, that's red. Red and orange look too much of the same. I know. And white is pink.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Wait till we get a breakdown. Let's go, no time to wait. Red and blue to your left, orange and red to your right. Let's go.
Wait, you're still here? Who's coming back with an attack force? Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
This is a rescue mission. We're getting you off this Star Destroyer. We programmed these R5 droids to take you to the escape pod. Good luck.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. The probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in the touch and block breach.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's backing a blast for us, now's a good time. Ah! The escape road's just below us!
Wait, why are you going up?
I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod meeting.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.